Well, hello. Anyways, look at this. We're gonna put the switch right here. So, I don't want to step on it. Anyways, look at this. Oh, wow. Got Cokes here. So we just got 5 sodas. Five. I just got 5 sodas. So, even though why there's a Play-Doh? Why is there a Play-Doh can out there? Not sure. Anyway, so what's that? That contains weeks non-toxic confirmed to ASTM. So that compound not intended to be eaten. So that means you cannot eat the Play-Doh. I know it is non-toxic, but you can't be eating that. So look at this. Look at this. Very beautiful, very cloudy out there. So excuse for me to scratch my hair. Scratch my head. Because my head itch. Look at this. You can see the water hose. You can see the dog food as we speak. Anyways, as we heard, I don't know what that out there for. Hopefully, we're gonna get back to normal. This, yeah. Anyways, that we're just have this one. I'm really not sure. Oh, hold on. Look at this. I don't know what that thing is. So look at this. As we speak. Anyways, I will stop the camera here. So that will be it. Thanks for watching.